This is it, the rumored high-security Apple facility. The fog is heavy, but look at that glow. Time to see what they're hiding.
They're going through now. And just like that, we are inside the perimeter. Let's see what they're hiding. Okay guys, we are officially inside the factory yard. I gotta be quick. Whew, I think we're clear for now. Let's keep moving. Check this out, the airlock sequence just activated. I've never seen anything like this. They are literally blasting the germs off us. Look at the size of these copper spools. It's absolutely massive. And the texture on this aluminum, incredible. I have never seen anything like this. This is the anodizing line. The robot dips the aluminum right into the orange vat, giving it that incredible finish. Look at that shine. Look at that precision, 0.0001 millimeters. This is incredible technology right here. This is insane. Look at the mirror finish on this aluminum. The technology here is next level. So this is where the magic happens. The CNC mill carves the chassis and boom, here is the finished product, ready for assembly. This is where the magic happens. The heat treatment gives them this amazing finish. And watch this, not a single scratch. All right guys, check this out. We dipped the silver frames into the chemical bath and look, they came out this amazing metallic orange. How cool is that? And right here is where the magic happens. That laser machine behind me is etching the lenses as we speak. The precision here is absolutely incredible. Look at the scale of this place. The workers in the white suits are operating the quantum vats under this incredible purple light. And that wraps up our look at the main gantry. Isn't this incredible? The scale of the operation here is just mind-blowing. We finalized the design for the backplate. The matte finish you see here is incredibly durable and scratch resistant.
Here we can see the automated system placing the wafer. The precision here is critical for the microchip yield.
We've achieved an incredible breakthrough here. This cell measures precisely 0.42 millimeters. What? Welcome to the automated paint booth. These robotic arms apply the perfect orange to red gradient, ensuring a flawless finish on every frame. Watch the color transition. From deep purple to vibrant blue, then sharp red, and finally brilliant white, the display quality is unmatched. As you can see, the robotic press applies the conductive film with extreme precision before we secure the ribbon cable.
This is where the magic happens. Hundreds of phones are simultaneously undergoing rigorous battery and performance tests to ensure every device meets our standards. Now for the moment of truth, the water submersion test. We're dropping it in and starting the timer now.
And look at that, not a scratch. This thing is truly durable.
Welcome to the final inspection line. This is where every single device undergoes rigorous hand inspection before it ships out. It's incredibly precise work.
Once the phones pass the final inspection, they are sealed in these vibrant orange boxes and automatically sorted for shipment across the globe.
I wanted to show you the distribution center. This is where your new orange phones begin their journey across the globe.
We've reached the end of the line here at the warehouse, and I'm just amazed by the sheer volume of products ready to ship out. What an incredible process.